Let's be honest, onion juice doesn't sound like the kind of thing you want anywhere around your hair or your nose. But if you ever looked in the mirror and wished your hair could grow faster, thicker, or stronger, you've probably heard the hype. So I decided to test it myself. I'm talking about the smell, texture, and result, everything. And after trying it, here is the truth no one really tells you. Here is the science path. Onions are packed with sulfur, and sulfur is known as the beauty mineral because it helps in forming keratin. That's the protein our hair is literally made of. It also improves blood circulation on your scalp, wakes up those sleeping hair follicles, and fights dandruff or scalp buildup that might be blocking your hair growth. And for anyone struggling with thinning edges or slow growth, this is one of those home remedies that's cheap, natural, and surprisingly effective. I used small medium onion sizes. I cut it into chunks, and over there this is the water, and I have my local blender there. I also have my hairspray bottle, and I also have my cheesecloth or sieve, anyone that you call it. This is what I will be needing for this process. You're free to use blender. At the moment I couldn't lay my hands on one, so this is how I'm going to blend it manually using my hand. I'll blend it 2 times to make it smooth and to get that texture that I wanted. So having inserted these onions into this local blender, I move ahead to manually blend it. So you're free to use the red onions, anyone that, in fact, even onion peels, anyone you lay your hands on, that's fine, so far as it would give you the onion juice or onion water that you would need. So blending it like this, then so this is what we have of the onion. I added my water into it. You can allow this to sit for an hour before straining it or sieving it. So after everything, I transfer that into my water spray hairspray bottle, and we move in for the application. So this is it. I section my hair into obviously 4 parts, and I will start applying it. The catch for me is the bad smell of this onion water. I truly do not like the smell, but for our hair sake, we can do anything just for that. So this is, I cover myself, and I don't like the smell, but then we have to do it. So I move ahead to massage it deeply into my scarf. After everything, I would just cover my hair and allow everything to infuse deep down into my scarf. After everything, I feel refreshing. I mean, my scalp feels so refreshed, and I feel the small itching that I used to feel before. It is no longer there. So please try onion water for your hair, and also be consistent, because you cannot see the result in just a day or two or a week, but consistently using this, I assure you, you can see the results. Try to incorporate onion or juice into your hair care collections, so that you would see the result that you need. So if you're still watching and you haven't liked this video, please do well to like this video so that YouTube can push it to wider audience. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please try and subscribe. Turn on your bell notification icon to notify you whenever I post videos of things like this. So keep on watching.